Hello, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome to a new tutorial from our princess collection. With this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Princess Aurora. For her body and shoes, we already have tutorials in this channel. In the description of this video, you can find the links. Only you need to change some color for her underwear and for her shoes. So let's see the materials that we will need. This princess is about 29 centimeters. For her skin, we will use 66 grams of flesh colored yarn. We will need a silicone tube, 1 centimeter in diameter, and never less than 12 centimeters long. We will use stuffed. For some details, we will use white colored yarn. And cinnamon color or brown color for other details on her eyes. 10mm safety eyes. You can see. We will also put a little blush. For her underwear, we will use pink colored yarn, the same color that we will use on her shoes. For her hair, we will use approximately 60 grams of yellow yarn. Also, we will need gold colored yarn. I will use 2.5mm hook for this yarn Sinfonia number 8. Pins, wool needle, scissor, silicone. For some closer on her dress. I will use these materials, but you can use whatever material that you prefer. You can put a button, also you can sew it. This is all the materials that we will need. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me a like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. In the next tutorial, we will make her hair. Until next time, bye bye!